Hi, this is the Gavi, Sundry Products Manager. Here I will give you an overall introduction about Sundry and its product and service. Build a fully connected future is our company vision, and our mission is to make the connection more secure, simpler, and value added. First, I will give you a introduction about the Sundry. Sundry belongs to the Sangfor Group. Sangfor was founded in the year 2000. They are more focused on the cybersecurity and cloud computing. Sundry, as the wholly owned subsidiary of Sangfor Group, we are more focused on the IT network, infrastructure, and IoT products and solutions. Sundry, now we already have 48 branches globally, and we have partner networks in more than 22 countries and regions. More than 100,000 customers a year already use Sundry, and we have 3,000 partners working with us. Sundry RT team have CMMI 5 certificates. That's the highest level certificates for the software development capability. According to the IDC report, Sundry achieved #1 in multiple industry verticals of China. For example, the financial industries. Top banks in China here, they all chose Sundry as their Wi-Fi provider. According to the IDC report, Sundry is a global top 5 vendors for enterprise WLAN encoders. Here's some of our global reference in 22 countries and regions, especially in countries like Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand. We have office there already. Now let me have introduce about our products. Here is a typical network setup. Let's think what Sundry can offer. Sundry can offer the indoor, outdoor scenario APs, one-mount APs, and also the PoE switch, access switch, distribution switch, core switches, also the switching for the HCA setup. Both the APS switch all can be managed by the controller here. The controller is made for both wired and wireless network. And that's thing, the Sangfor products, the VDI, the IAG, the NGF, the HCI. So you can see together we have this one-stop solution for network setup. Here's the Sundry products matrix. We can see we have two product lines. One's SMB. The product is a little bit simpler. We only have the AP switches, gateway, and also a public cloud app, cloud and app. The idea is same with like Ubiquiti, Cambiance, or REE, with the cloud management for the small and medium-sized clients. And, here is our industry products slides. You can see that we have more features like AI features, security features, and also the controller is on-premise. We have hardware versions and also we have software versions for the private cloud deployment. So this product line, we're more competitive with the Cisco, Aruba, Rakas to offer in the big industry clients like the university, hospitals, and also we have this iPlan tools for the heat map design. This tool can be used both for the X-Link and industry series. Here's our switch products. For the Sundry switches products, we have very unique category name called feed switches. That means the switch all can be managed by our controllers. That different, we can see new structures compared with the traditional ones. 100% configuration will done through this controller, and you can see the top logis. So we have the O series switches from the access, distribution, core, but you can say that some also have very unique solutions like VSEC, PoE switches, PoF, power over fibers. This means you just insert the SC connectors. You don't need transceivers, but this one with the fiber, we use the hybrid cables. So you can transfer the data and the power at the same time. So if you want to get more, you can click this link and watch our YouTube videos. And also we have the fiber to the room switches. The switch is the size is small, and also the phallic design you can put inside the classroom. The half port is the PoE and the half port is not PoE, so you can use it to connect your laptop and also the camera, APs. Very convenient when we do this fiber to the room setup in the classroom. And also we have switch tailor-made for the HCS setup, 12 copper port, and 12 gigabits SFP port. for the HCI storage, and also have NeuroSense AI switches. We put the AI chip inside the switch so it can monitor users' areas and help her to do the troubleshoot this kind of things. That AI features, and also we have this multi core switch for big campus network setup, like the university, hospitals, big manufacturers. This can be their core switch. And all those we mentioned can be the main platform can be from the NEC or AMC. The difference between the NEC and AMC is NMC have the bigger management capabilities. It not only can manage APS switch, it also can manage SFG and the NEC. Here's our Wi-Fi products. You can see that Sony right now is already moving to the Wi-Fi 7 AI APs. Same idea, we put the AI chip, the Sense video, inside our Wi-Fi 7's access point. And in the Wi-Fi 6, you can see we have lots of models that already have the Sense videos. Even for our entry levels, we have the Sense video. That's the Sony's idea, AI for everyone. So the solution will be more affordable. Not like the Cisco, they only put the AI chip in the high-end models. So we have the AI chips in the entry level models. And also we have the POF APs together with our POF switches. We can have this full all fiber network is. If you want to know more, you can click this one and read the link and see our YouTube videos. And also we also have lots of scenario APs. Like here, the IoT Fusion APs, easier for customers to set up the Wi-Fi and IoT network at the same time. And also some you have ID zero roaming store solutions. One AP you can connect with 64 antenna. That's the biggest one in the industries. So with the 64 antennas, it's like your whole factory will be covered with one AP. So your AGV cars move it will be very smooth because no roaming is needed. And then so we also have this gateway for the machine tools. The Appredict wireless, easy for to move the machine tool from one place to another without cabling the network. So here's our Sundry's X-Link. We have three products, one cloud and one app. The first one, the switch. The switch can be managed by clone directly and also have unmanageable switches. Plug the plan. And for the AP, we have the one multi stay lane on door, all can be managed by the clone directly, and also have gateway multiple service gateway because this also can manage access points and also have the authentication servers built in, and also the access application identification and the access controls, these kind of features. In our XRP series, you can see we put more ports. Like this one, we have the 27 ports, right? 8 is PoE, so you can power up access point, cameras. This we call OE router networking. So the idea is like we just put the one gateway, one router, and then we connect AP camera. No need another switch in the middle. So we simplify the traditional 3 layers network into 2 layers. That makes our SMB network much easier than before. So why Sundays? I will introduce it in the 3 points. First is one is all. We just use web platform, and then you can manage your whole network, 100% conversion down there. So easy to use and also save the money for the customers. Second one, secure. We have built-in VIPs. We have security access control based on the terminal user traffics, and also we have security interactions with the security products like Sangfor. And the third one, AI rules. We are trying to make our APS switch as IT assistant, so we can help to locate and solve our network issues. So let's first we see the once all. This controller not only can manage the APS switches, it also can be the authentication platform, access control, and give us reports, and also have the built-in VIPs for security purpose, and also have the analysis, QS, VPN, top load managers, blue security controls like east to west security for both wired and wireless network. I also have the zero roaming provisioning, real-time alarm, single sign on with the Sangfor IAG, and those security interactions with Sangfor NGF, cyber comment, and also the AI features. Here's our unified Ethernet security features. First, we make sure our environment secures. With the Sense Radio, we can find out like fish APIs that prevent user to connect, and also have the terminal security test. Our Sundry system can identify the terminal type, and also we only allow the proper terminal to connect to our network. For example, you put the switch in the lobby. There's many ports. You can have a policy like this port only allowed to connect the camera. Someone move your camera, then you're not allowed because that's not the proper terminal type. Then the user security is Soundview support more than 30 authentication methods for both the wireless users. So we only allow authorized user to connect. After they connect, we can do the layer 7 controls for the Wi-Fi users to block some applications on website. And also we can have this east to west Ethernet traffic controls. So we can achieve only along the secured and natural traffic easy network. So some barriers will be blocked to shared with our internet. Last but not least, security interactions. Especially with the Sangfor's NGF, cyber comment. So when we found that there's a risky terminals, they can share this info to our controller, and then our controller can let the APN switch to lock the users. Next one is AIOps. Soundry released this AI network 2.0 in last quarter. So we believe the network automation started in the access layers. We must make our access layer very intelligent. That's why so we started to put the AI chips inside our AP and inside our switch. So it can monitor the environment. It can monitor the user experience with the data collected. Will send to our controller. That's what we call iBrain for this network, iBrain MC. So the system will start to do the I thinking and do the analysis and then make a decision. We do a choice and then we take action and we show the result if the problem is solved or not. Let's take a closer look in this AI RF. This RF come with 5 capabilities. First one is the network quality sense. It's monitor the user experience going to the network, and if they have latency to some, like the update the IP address to get the reply from DAS servers, they will have a record, and so also they will make sure that the interference in the environment and shows the path channels and user failure notifications. It will also show the record and give us the reason. And also service quality sense, monitor the user's experience to the key service in the network like AGV, like the mass or case service in the hospitals, and also the uh, energy security sense to sense the phishing APs or loss attacks happens in our network. Here's a very good application scenario for this AI ops called Air Auto. With these features, the AIF is keep doing the environment sensing around the clock. So with the data is connected, and also combine our environment identity database and our expert experience database, the system will guide the APs to do better tunings, like we choose better channels and the channel bandwidth or power stress. This actually will be taking the best times without impact to the user's experience. For example, right now I'm doing this meeting, right? So the AP will not do the adjustment, even the detect some interference. So after the finish meeting and the AP detect that no users connected, we will start to do the optimizations to do the adjustment, and then they will show the improvement of two new record in our platform. So you can see this process is fully automated without this human tunings, manual tuning or timing tunings. That is very time consuming and also basically very few improvement. Here's our newer thing switches. With the Sundry's ASN switches, you can see they're very unique port, sensing port, very unique design. So we'll keep monitor the users' real-time traffics. If they have the lot latency, if they fail to reach some service, we'll stay in our platform. So IT staffs can know what happened, what's wrong with network immediately, and then we check the root cause in our controller. We already can solve it. And here, when we use the VSAT switch, we also have these kind of features. We visualize the connections in our network, which nodes have problem, it will tell us, and also which service had problem, will also tell us, right? The users experience to the message, we have problem, we have high latency, they fail to reach the server. So you can see that Sundry is monitor the network and serve code from the user's point of view. And then we have this uh, easier operation maintenance and to improve the user experience. So we can see the Sundry architecture is SDN based. Just with one platform, we do the unified management, access controls, and also when there's AI network features, make our operation maintenance much easier and with more security and value added service. The APS switch, basically you just do the data forwarding. Okay, now let's see the Sundry service. Sundry provide this full life cycle support. From very beginning, we get the requirements, we can start doing the design, and then we can do support, do the QC testing, and then do deployment. We keep giving the support, and also after we finish deployment, we give the training to our SI partners or the end users, and also we give this post-sale support. Because that's lifetime. And so we have this iPlan tools for the heat map designs. That's the free. We can just register your account with your email address. And here's our professional service response process. Usually, we will start cooperation with our SI first. We give the training to our SI, and also we have the certified engineer in our distributors, and also have local engineers like the Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand. We have our local technical team to give us support, and also have the PC in headquarters. If the problem not solved, then we can upgrade to the expert and RD team. We just make sure every cases can be closed in time. Here's our poster sale service summary. First is the new goal. First, if like one device is defective and is in warranty, so we'll give the new one without waiting for the return of the old one. So we have the 24x7 quality standards in China, and Soundly provide this lifetime remote technical support. So we will not state that products is out of sales, out of support. No, Foundry's technical support is always there. And also we have lifetime software update license. We want customer always can experience the newest firmware in our platform. That's why we make this update license in the software versions for free. And in many countries already have a local warehouse, and also we have the policy for the defective or arrival compensations. If you find that there's one device is new arrived and then it's already defective, somebody will give a new one immediately, and also we will uh give additional 1 year warranty for the same batch of devices. Just make sure that customers is not worried about the other products, right? And now let me share you some cases that's already done in the market. First, Sundry is doing the very well in the government and enterprise office scenario. We closed many projects like Zwidig Pharma, PSCC, PNR, this in the Philippines and in the recent Gmart in the Indonesia and Thailand. The one that the reason the customer choose here is because our network is much simpler. You can see this topology. That's why it's the beauty in our controller. When we move to the Sundries, their network is become more visualized. They can see the standards of their network topology and devices, click the icon, and can start doing the configuration. And also with more security and APS switch help them to do some troubleshooting. Then is educations. Some did lots of this reference in the universities. We provide full Wi-Fi coverage, and teacher student can log in the Wi-Fi with their school ID. We also can do the application, website filtering with our solution. Here's the manufacturers. We did a lot of these manufacturer cases in the Vietnam or Thailand because many manufacturers move to there now. Uh, in manufacturers, they're like especially the warehouse and also some machine tools need to be connected with wireless network. So they have the high requirement for the roamies, their roamies. So some of these solution can like iStar Lakes, their roaming solutions, and also we have this business quality sense features. We monitor their mass AGV system, just make sure that every say in the network issue happens, the customers IT staff will know it in advance, not waiting for the complaint from the manufacturer stuff. Sunny did very well in the financial industry of China. That's why, like back in China, agriculture back in China, to the military back, the all chose Sundays. Like the one feature is the two-in-one design for the service and IT features because the AI RF they can do the IT feature by themselves already. So we don't need to push another AP for this air monitoring. The structure becomes simpler. The setup is easier for the partner and also for the customer themselves. It also started to have this SD branch solutions. That means we put our AMC in the headquarter and in the branches they just put AP switches and the gateway or the controllers. So we have unified management from one platform, very suitable for this financial customers because they have nationwide practice. So you need to have the unified management kind of architectures. So you can say meet this requirement very well. And here's our solution for the healthy cares. In the hospitals right now, the doctor and the nurse they need to have like uh, uh, mobile medicals. So they need to check the user's his or packs infos through their pen, uh, like remotely or while they're moving. So they need to have this full coverage Wi-Fi in the hospitals, and also for security purpose, we need to do this access controls. Doctors can reach their case packs, but for guests, only allowed to go to the internet. Uh, let's check the hotels. For the hotels, Sundry can offer this kind of solutions like user login, entering the hotel. They can once we connect Wi-Fi, they can see the cabin photo for the advertisement, and also let them log in with this social media accounts, and then be redirected to the TikTok or their website for the marketing purpose. This feature support both in the industry series and X-Link. So we can push these features if we're customers is five-star hotels. We use the industry series with on-premise controller, and if customer is three-star hotel with many branches, we can use our X-Link. We really did lots of the hotel reference, especially in the Indonesia's. Here's most of the reference we did in there. And also like Dusti D2, Agrivolcai, that's from Philippines. Here's some cases we done in the Philippines, and here's customers they choose Sangre in Indonesia, Vietnam. In Vietnam, most of their manufacturers, like EP Group, they're making the shoes, Eco Solars, they're making the product related with the solar board, and those like tiles. Yeah, there's many customers in the Vietnam, and here's our customers from Malaysia, customers from Thailand, Hong Kong. Here's the Sounders contacts from this is our HP hotlines and our website. There's our the team emails. Their whole like tech team and sales team will receive this email if you set here. And if you want get more frequent update about Sundry, you can follow our Facebook and YouTube accounts. Okay, here let me give you a summary about Sundry. First, if Y is O, so we use one platform. We have more than 40 built-in features. So the whole solution is simple to set up, easy to do operation maintenance, and save money for the customers. If customers want to have this unified management, unified schedule, etc. network, Sangfor will be one best choice. Second one, security. So we the process securities from environment scanning and terminal identification, authentication, access control, and security interactions with some force. That's why we call the three-dimensional securities. The one AIOs. We know that auto driving network is really the directions. Sundry's A5I capabilities already can achieve the partially auto driving. We call the level 3 auto driving network. In this way, our solution will improve the user's operation maintenance efficiency and also user experience. All right, so this is all about this presentation. Thanks for watching.